Hello, YouTube. I'm Vince White. I'm an employment attorney, shockingly. And I'm answering publicly posted questions from YouTube users. We have a YouTube user, Sport Fanatic, posting a question today on our video entitled Striketober. Beware of fake progressives. And you should, in fact, beware of fake progressives. People promise so many things during election season, and then they are just the scariest, worst corporatists and warmongers in the world once they actually get in office. I'm not talking about anyone in particular, though. Anyways, let's get to the question here. Sport Fanatic asked 11 hours ago, "Hey, Vince. Hey. Can you do a video on selective policy enforcement and why this is illegal?" I can, and I will. And it isn't always. It is sometimes, though. Okay, so here's what it comes down to. If we're talking about federal law only, which is all I can really do, because this is in all 50 states. I don't know where you are when you see this video, so I can only really talk to the federal laws that pen before the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. That's all I can speak to. So wherever you are, the state, the local laws, they may differ, and they probably do. But wherever you are under these specific laws that I'm talking about here, there is a policy, an internal policy to your company. Not a law, not a statute, not a requirement of wherever you are, or federal law, or anything like that. Just a policy in your workplace. The fact of the matter is, they can be kind of selective in how they enforce that policy. What they can't do, what they can never do, what you should absolutely talk to an employment attorney if they do, is to have a selective enforcement policy that is tied to some form of discrimination, sexual harassment, or retaliation, right? If there's disparate treatment, and I have videos on the channel about disparate treatment, if there's a policy that says, oh, everybody's got to be working 9, and that's true for everybody except white ladies. Sounds like a discrimination case to me. That's disparate treatment. That's a discriminatory enforcement of a policy, right? If there's a, no beard policy, right? Nobody can have a beard in this job site. Very common for, firefighters, police officers, corrections officers. But the warden comes and says, except for Pinkies like Vince over there, I don't like his pink face. Thanks, boss. But, that's going to be disparate treatment based on race. Again, right? When he called me a pinky, I assume he meant he was Caucasian, because that's what I mean when I say pinky. And that's pretty clearly like, okay, this policy is for everyone but the Caucasians, right? That's discriminatory. That's disparate treatment. That's not allowed. That is, in fact, illegal. That is the basis of a potential claim. That is something you should speak to an employment attorney about. Now, the other side of that coin is, if you got 2 employees and the policy is you got to be here at 9. Got to be on the floor by 9, clocked in, ready to work. But one employee is the manager's friend, and one employee is the manager's nothing. Just the manager doesn't care about this person. There's a decent chance that manager is going to be a little bit rougher with the person that he's not friends with than the person he is friends with, right? And that's not necessarily going to be illegal. Is it wrong? Yeah. If you have a union, should you agree with that? Yeah. Could it be protected under state or local law? Potentially. But under federal law, it's probably going to be legal. Favoritism, when not motivated by discrimination, can be legal. That is very counterintuitive. That would cause most people to say, are you kidding me? That's insane. How can that be the law? Well, look who we vote for. But that is, just the fact of the matter. Under federal law, you can treat your friend better than your not friend if you're a manager, so long as it's not motivated by some form of discrimination. Is that insane? Yeah. Could that be different if you're in a union or you're a civil servant or you're in an area or a jurisdiction where the law is different? Yeah, and I hope it is for you. I hope you have additional protections. But I'm limited in the laws that I can speak to, as I kind of underscored here at the beginning of the video. So, Sport Fanatic, I hope this answers your question. And I hope it doesn't frustrate you, because the answer is inherently frustrating. Take care. Oh, if this was helpful, you like and subscribe. Helps me to help more people just like you.